Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I hope you are doing well. I want to show you this Neewer CM28 professional wireless lavalier microphone for camera. PC is compatible with iPhone, Android, and is with charging case, noise cancelling, 4GB storage space for 9 hours recorder, maximum 200 meters or 656 feet. Transmission is a professional wireless lavalier mic set for camera, mini wireless clip, lapel microphone kit with 2 transmitters, 1 TX and 1 receiver. They can operate for 9 hours and 8 hours RMX on fully charged. Ideal device for outdoor audio and video recording, stage vlogging, podcast, interview, and live streaming. You charge them twice in just 1.5 hours each time with the included protective charging case. Both RS and TX have a 3.5mm audio jack for real-time monitoring. The TX double as record pens with each 4GB storage space, saving up to 9 hours of uncompressed 48 kHz WAV audio file. 3 audio export mode, mono, stereo, and MX. Support 1 tap decibel gain, and LCD screen display mode, volume, battery level, connection status, noise reduction, etc. These small wireless lav mic are portable, essential as a starter toolkit for TikTok, YouTube, other social media content creator, influencer. I want to use it for my YouTube channel. The advanced noise cancelling clip built into small cordless microphone allow you to achieve clear and crisp voice recording at one click of the same button. 2 LED light indicator for showing different recording status. This handheld microphone comes with 2 wind shells for noise reduction and magnets for fixing the professional lavalier mic magnetically on the collar, shirt pocket, or elsewhere. In an obstructed area, CM28 ensure 656 feet or 200 meters of smooth wireless transmission for stable audio recording and higher resistance against interference. Bear in mind that transmission range varies on locations. It's compatible with iPhone 16, 15 Pro Max, plus 14, 13, 12, 11 mini, Samsung Galaxy S24, S23 Ultra Android cell phone with included OTG adapter accessories. What is included in the box is USB Type A to Type C data cable for PC, Mac, computer transmission. CM28 Neewer Pro wireless microphone system with portable charging case. This is the information pack. This is the case. Accessories. So you have power cables, USB Type C, and this is aux. Like the packaging. So this serves as the charging. Here we go. You can see. See it? This is the transmitter and the receiver on the center. This is on the go. So 2 transmitters, 1 receiver, wind shell, And this is the charging case. Then you have cable, audio cable 1, USB-C cable, and the other one is for the computer. These are the stuff included in the packaging. Thank you very much.